Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to entrepreneurship series. Today our topic is what is difference between assets and liabilities. So how assets will contribute for the success of people. So let's discuss. First of all, we will discuss the difference between assets and liabilities. Anything which makes money for you will be considered as an asset. For example, rent a house, rent a car, a software, a website, a YouTube channel, a freelancing, or any kind of transportation. Here we take one example of rent a house. If you build a house and you put it on the rent, each and every month you will receive some amount of money which will be increase in your assets or increase in your wealth. While in other case, liabilities means where we actually spend money. For example, if we take any kind of loan from the any institution, we have to pay a fixed amount of money at the end of every month. If a car is used under the personal usage, we have to spend some money on its fuel and regular maintenance cost. A mobile, utilities and taxes, such as every kind of things which we are going to spend for our comfort or our benefit. These all things were considered under liabilities. So now we will discuss, is it possible that a same time a same thing will be present in assets and liabilities? Here we take a single example of a car. It will be taken as an asset as well as in liabilities. How is it possible? If a car is taken under the personal usage, which I explained in the previous slide, so it will be considered under liabilities. How it is possible? Because we have to spend some money on its fuel. We have to spend some money if we take it on a loan. We have to spend some money on it on its regular maintenance. While in the other case scenario, in assets, if we take a car from any kind of company and we put it on the Uber, Cream, or any kind of rent a car showroom, so it will increase or it will benefit us at the end of every month and put some kind of cash flow in our assets or wealth. So for being successful or unsuccessful, either a person, either an institution, either a country, if the quantity of asset is more than its liabilities are spending, then this country, this institution, this person will be considered as successful. And this is the reason why some countries become developed, or why Europe becomes so developed, because of this single formula: increase in assets and decrease in liabilities, or increasing assets more than in liabilities. Because if we cut short our expenses, it is not the case we are discussing here. In current scenario, if you increase your assets, then you also can increase your spending. For example, if you earn 100 rupees and your liabilities is 110, if there are two cases of scenarios, you can earn 10 rupees more or you can spend 10 rupees less. So in both cases, you will become balanced to 0 0 form. Hope this video will increase your knowledge. Subscribe Q. It will give the question of all your answers. Share this video to all social media platforms. Thank you and fi amanillah.